Uh, Hi guys, anyway, long time no see. Ignore the outfit. Here I am, playing Minecraft. It's my new character. Basically, I'm just trying to show you what I've been up to. So, pay perfect attention. Do 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 do. Oh crap. Oh. Is that it? You know, just two? Oh. Yeah. I'll show you my chicken farm later. Goodbye.